Did you know that teleportation exists?
Excuse me, what?
Yeah, you heard me right, and I'll explain to you how it works. But first, we have to talk about quantum entanglement and superposition. Let's look at this pair of shoes. I have a left shoe and a right shoe. No matter how far apart you put these shoes,
If you look at one and see that it's right, you immediately know that the other's left without having to look at it.
except that with entangled particles, we're not talking about whether they're left-footed or right-footed, we're talking about their spin. And for that, we have to look at superposition. Particles have this property called spin, and they can either be spin up or spin down. But the problem is, they're actually neither spin up nor spin down until you look at them. If you don't look at them, their states are kind of like this. Entangled particles must have opposite spins.
But these entangled particles are both spin up and spin down at the same time. If you took one of an entangled pair of particles to the moon and simply looked at it, it would pick a spin direction. Then, instantaneously, the other particle would physically change to become the opposite spin. So how does it know which spin the other particle picked? It seems as though the information is traveling between the two particles faster than the speed of light, which isn't possible. Or is it?
Quantum teleportation has already been successfully achieved, and there are so many possibilities. Because simply looking at a quantum particle changes it physically, any quantum communication would be impenetrable by spies. Perhaps this spooky action at a distance isn't so spooky after all.